Splash out. Spend a lot of money carelessly or freely. He splashed out on a new car. We splashed out at the mall. Wash away. Remove by flowing water. The rain washed away the dirt. My worries were washed away by music. Soak up. Absorb liquid or information. The towel soaked up the water. She loves to soak up new ideas. Dry up. Become dry or stop flowing. The river dried up in summer. His money dried up quickly. Pour out. Flow out in large amount or speak freely. He poured out his feelings to me. Water poured out of the tank. Dive in. Start enthusiastically. Let's dive in and finish this work. She dived into the swimming pool. Float around. Be present somewhere in an unfixed way. Rumors are floating around. Leaves floated around the pond. Wade through. Walk through water or deal with something difficult. We waded through the flooded street. He waded through paperwork. Spill over. Overflow or spread. Water spilled over the cup. The fight spilled over to the street. Flow back. Return like a flow. Memories flowed back to her mind. Blood flowed back to the heart. Wash up. Clean oneself or be brought to shore. Wash up before dinner. A dead fish washed up on the beach. Dip into. Take a small amount from a supply. He dipped into his savings. She dipped into the sauce. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more Only English vocabulary.